Today I am going to discuss about the topic tuples. Why tuples are immutable and how you can work around it. Let's see. In Python are powerful and efficient way to store order collection of items. However, tuples are immutable. Once create, you can't change, add, remove. So, now here my task is there any possibility to convert tuple to list and list to tuple? Why this cycle I have to do? Because of tuple is a immutable compared to list is a mutable. So, mutable we have chance to add, create, remove, right, but tuple is not possible. So, that we have to convert tuple into list, then list do some operation and again coming back to tuple. So, now let us explore how I have take a tuple, name my tuple and then items apple, banana, cherry and grapes. What I have to do here is, so the variable name new list, the converted into the my tuple into a list and then store new list, then print and see the output whether it's a converted or not. Yes, it's converted into the list. List indicate that square brackets, right? Now we can observe there. Then I have to do new list dot append. Append is nothing but to add any element to the existing tuple. So here we have to add the list. Then we will print. Then we will see the output. Whereas add is the organ orange HG. Again come to here, then what I do, then next operation I have to done here, the new list dot and then remove from the one element. So we have to give, that is which element we have to here specify, that is existing in the list, right? So orange is existed, so I have to give here, but I have to give here the remove element, the slide different. So it won't be removed. Why? Because of that the exactly that letters are matching, then it will be display, otherwise it won't display. So that I have to copy this one and then replace in the parenthesis the exact one. Then now you can see, run and see, then you get it's removed. So now what I have to do here is new list and I have to add any element in the existing tuple. So I have to specify like array of 0, then you can print and see the existing one kiwi will add it in the existing tuple. New list equal to tuple and new list. What I have to do here is, then again coming back to the convert into the list into tuple, so that I have to print that one, the new list. Then you will run the program, you will get list converted into the tuple, that we will be observe here. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.